Hi everyone. Um, Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use Vizzy Studio. This is a newly created visualization tool that we could use to do some visualizations using a bunch of shorts up here or pivot tables or KPI cards. And the features are endless in this application because you could build a story where I'm going to be showing you in a later video, or you could build a dashboard and export it to um, PowerPoint or PDF. So it's very easy to use. Um, you could literally use it, and it's pretty cheap. You could use it for free as well. So I went ahead and loaded our data set for today, which is gaming addiction. This is from Kaggle, and I'm gonna be showing you. I'm gonna be including this in the bio and description. So let's just start by building some charts. This is just a walkthrough or like a demo, so we won't be going too deep in what this is about. This is just a walkthrough of what you could do with this beautiful application. Um, so this is, you could upload CSV or Excel. You could connect an API. You could create a calculated column of these fields in the gaming addiction here. And there's a color theme, which is I see it's pretty good. You could see like this is from color palette, which I'm gonna be including in the description as well. So we chose the best five themes that are mostly used in the color palette website. And here's you could build like a dashboard or a story. You could add the text, the image, call out, or a divider between charts. There's a dark mode, and this is the rest of the projects that you could work on as well. Um, let's just, and these are the short types. This is the dark mode. It's beautiful, and you could add like pivot table, KPI card, and these are the same things that we just went through on the left here. But this is for the storyboard, and this is you could add it whenever you want. Let's just switch back to the light mode. It takes a second to load. So I went ahead and I picked up the data source, which is gaming addiction, and I'm gonna just pick a very easy X and Y axis in this case, just a gender and a daily playtime hours. And as you can see, there's like a male dominated in a gaming addiction data set, followed by female, non-binary, and prefer not to say. What we would do next is we would add it to workspace. So if you went here to the build dashboard, you will see this added as a chart, and you could change it here. You could change the y-axis whenever you want, however you want it. We could go back and just add a couple more KPI cards. And let's see, in this case, I'm gonna pick from data. Here you could add icons as well, whether it's a dollar sign, a percentage. You could add this as well. This is like like a stock chart kind of thing where like something went up or down. But in this case, I'm just gonna keep it just a number in this case because it's pretty much all numbers. Let's see anxiety level, and that gets us the sum of it. So we'll add this to the workspace that we're building. So if you went back here, you will see like a KPI card added. Let's just go back and add another like different pivot table or something. And let's pick our data set. For the row dimension, we could put in this case we just put country, and then gender and the y-axis or a column, and the value let's just put stress score. So as you can see, there's all the countries here that were listed in the data set. You could see like some of them. You can see USA leads the stress score. This is for the sum, and this is by male, female, or non-binary, and prefer not to say. Let's just add it to the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard and try to add a another KPI card. And up until this point, I'm done with everything. I just wanted to show you how it works, how easy it is. We just built a beautiful, it's not completed a dashboard, but it's just a good dashboard that you could like keep on building with other charts. But for now, let's just stick with the basics up here, and let's just add to workspace. Let me add one last like a bubble, and let me pick from CSV because we already uploaded this. So let me add a gender value column, churn probability, and let's see. As you can see, it's just kind of like messy in a way, but again, we're not doing any like analytical thing. It's just a walkthrough of how Vizzy works, just like how easy it works and how you could add a beautiful dashboard, and you could add it here. The good thing about Vizzy as well is you could add a you could pick the size. You could put this as a half, and this one you could add as another half, and see it's just up there. It adjusts accordingly, and you could go up and down however you want to. You just get this as in half as well. Again, I'm not really looking to get any analytical work here. This is just a demo, so you could just like do it to yourself. It's pretty easy to pick and pretty easy to use. Let me just add another dashboard. These are the options that you could do. You could export as a PowerPoint, PDF, Google Slides. But Google Slides, I believe you'd have to take a picture of this or like a screenshot and just upload it to Google Slides. But let me just export it to PowerPoint for now. So for me, as a working data analyst or scientist, it was pretty hard for me just to have this like order dimensions on a chart when I present or do some analytical work in a presentation, just to be fitted in a slide like this. It was just hard for me. But Vizzy solves this problem here as well. You could just add and remove whatever you want, and here as well. But in the bubble, I don't think you will see like data labels. I think you would need to ask Vizzy to do that for you. And here's the KPI card. So the goal from this is you could just delete this one here and just keep the rest of them in any analytical work, and it looks beautiful this way.